Hello everyone, my name is Jun Chan, and as part of the CEGE Engineering Challenges, today I will be presenting about relief after 2017 Mexico earthquake. The Puebla earthquake happened on the 19th of September 2017. It has a magnitude of 7.1 and the whole disaster lasted for 20 seconds. It caused 40 buildings to collapse, 370 casualties, and 6,000 injuries. So what is an earthquake? An earthquake is when two blocks of earth suddenly hit through one another, releasing a huge amount of energy that can cause damage to human life. How did an earthquake happen? An earthquake happens when the glow of magma produces convection current that further causes the divergence and convergence of the tectonic plates, resulting in the occurrence of earthquake. The Ring of Fire is the region where 75% of earthquake happens, bringing us to Mexico. One of the important aspects of a building is structural engineering. To understand more about structural engineering, we have a workshop about the collapse of a car repair shop named Avenida Santa Ana in Mexico City. Prior to the workshop, we were taught many theories and reasons behind the collapse of the building. In terms of seismic structural design, we were told that having a strong column and weak beam design is stronger and more stable. During the workshop, we used a wooden stake as column and spaghetti as beam, and that is because relatively a wooden stake is much ductile and stronger as compared to a spaghetti. Then, we have a spaghetti connecting all fours of our foundation. We know that the importance of connection and braces is to withstand the horizontal load. Therefore, we ensure that spaghetti is used to brace all the frames at all sides and tape is used to connect all of them together. Finally, we successfully designed a new model with the same scale that is able to withstand the shock wave. Next aspect will be the geotechnical engineering. We have a workshop based on the Puebla earthquake to investigate the seismic slope stability with an objective to determine the ideal angle before the horizontal load is applied. We use dry granular soil to conduct the experiment so that liquefaction will not occur. With the data obtained and the graph of angle after the horizontal load applied phi against acceleration g is plotted. According to Wikipedia, the acceleration of Puebla earthquake was 0.114 meter per second square. With that value, we are able to determine the value of phi from the graph and use the value of phi to calculate the value of the ideal angle beta. In conclusion, earthquake doesn't kill. It's the failure in the civil engineering design who is. As civil engineers, we cannot avoid natural disaster, but we can always prepare for it and reduce the loss caused by it. Essentially, we have to organize an evacuation plan so that citizens can evacuate safely on time. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.